Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom menu template. So by default I showed you that you could just display your menu in an unordered list, or you could even stylize it with Bootstrap. So if we go here to our tools and our menu builder, we have this new menu called main, and this just has a few items inside of it. So if I were to go back to my welcome.blade.php, I can then go ahead and just print this out, and we went through this before in a previous video. I could just say menu main, and then I could go to my website and I will see the unordered list of my menu items right there. And then I could also pass in a second argument and say that I want this to be styled with Bootstrap. So if I save that and reload, now you can see that it has been stylized with Bootstrap. But let's say that we wanted to create our own custom menu. So what I could do is I could look inside of vendor, and I could go to TCG, Voyager, and then I can look inside of the resources views, and there's a new folder called menu. And in here we have the admin template, we have the Bootstrap template, and we have the default template. So I'm going to go ahead and just take the default template, and I'm going to copy this and create a new view inside of my resources views folder. And I'm just going to give this a name of my menu. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. So then back here in the welcome, instead of Bootstrap, I'm actually just going to type in the name of my custom menu that I created. So I'll say my menu. And just to make sure that this is working, you can go through this file, and basically what it's doing is it's doing a recursive loop, and it will loop through each of these menu items. And once it finds that it has children, it will loop through this file again. So it will loop through and create your unordered list in a menu. So then maybe we want to add a class right here that says awesome menu. So let's save that. Let's go back here and just reload. And you can't see that it looks any different, but if we go back here and look at the list items, you can see that we actually do have the new class name. So we can add as many classes as we would like. We can customize our menu to fit our needs, and we don't have to just rely on the default unordered list or the Bootstrap menu. So it's pretty flexible, pretty easy to use. Now you can create your own menus that you can then use on the front end of your site.